now boarding.
Okay, please give your ticket and I will grab your luggage and put it in the conveyor belt. Whatever that thing is.
Okay, here's my ticket. And here's my luggage also. Gate 4 may now board. I'm so excited for my first flight. Gate 3 may now board. Here's my ticket, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Ooh, this looks nice. Wow, I'm gonna get the window seat. And it's super comfy. Wow, that's so cool. Here's my ticket. Thank you. Bye. I love this plane.
Engine start, okay. Gotta check if everything's good and stuff. Okay. Flaps 1, 2. Gotta make sure 2 sachets on. Okay. Okay. Everything's all good. Full throttle. Okay. Oh yes. This is my favorite part. Takeoff. Okay. V1, rotate, V2. There. I did it. Engine 1, fire. Engine 2, fire. Engine 3, fire.
God damn it, how did this happen? Ah! Oh my god, what's happening?
Look at the fire over there, oh no!
Ah! Please, somebody help! Oh! What the hell is happening? I just woke up and I don't understand what's happening. Someone, please tell me what's happening. An engine exploded and now there's a fire on 3 engines. What? How? I don't know what happened, but we're just all panicking. Ah! Ah!
This is Delta 11423 requesting permission for emergency land. All of our 3 engines have exploded. We might occur into a sink rate. Please.
What the hell is happening? Oh my god! Please, somebody help! I'm calling 911 so somebody can help us.
Great idea, but how is that gonna help this situation?
It's just
Everybody, this is your captain speaking. Brace for impact as we make her into hitting the water. Please, brace for impact. Our altitude is decreasing tremendously fast. Sink rate. Whoop whoop, pull up. Pull up. Whoop whoop, pull up. Pull up. Whoop whoop, pull up. Pull up. Bank angle, bank angle. Sink rate, sink rate. Whoop whoop, pull up. Pull up. 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 Whoop whoop, pull up. Stall, stall. Beer do do do. Stall, stall. Beer do do do. Stall, stall. Beer do do do. Sink rate, sink rate. Whoop whoop, pull up. 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 Guys, I was using the bank angle and the stall and the sink rate with my voice because CapCut doesn't have those type of stuff. But bye. And also, guys, this is my Thanksgiving special. And also, I'm happy because we almost reached 30 subscribers. One more subscriber left and we'll have 30. This is not a real plane crash. This is for entertainment purposes only. And the date for this plane crash story I made, not fiction story. It's a fiction story. It dates back into 1984. Yep.